Good afternoon to everyone. This is R. Uday Bhanu, belongs to Priya Cement High School, Nandyal district, Andhra Pradesh and India. Today I am going to show you how to prepare maze game by using Python code on a pictoblox platform. So before preparing or before developing this program, we have few steps and we have to follow few steps. As we know that for coding, first we have to plan everything and we have to write the code, and the third step is we have to execute the code. So before going to write the code or before going to develop the code, first we have to set everything. That means first we have to plan everything. So I'll tell you the plan of action that I'm going to do here. First thing is that first we have to change the sprite. Second one is we have to select a backdrop, and third one is we have to write a code. Again, while writing that code also, we have some parts. I'll split into two segments. The first part is the sprite should move in all directions, and second one is we have to give the commands. That means conditions we have to give. So in what are the conditions to be applied, and what are the conditions that sprite has to follow. And for writing that program, here we are using few functions. Is key pressed, dot, set direction, move, is touching color, go to XY and save function. So let us start the program. So before going to start the program, please see here. First, we have to change the sprite. So for that, here Toby, you can see here, you can delete that by clicking dustbin symbol on above that sprite. The second one is, see here at the bottom of the screen, you can see an option that is choose sprite. Click on that choose sprite. So you can choose any sprite. I want to go with the animals. I want to go with the mouse. I'll go with the mouse. And the second thing is we have to select the backdrop. So for selecting backdrop, to the right side of the choose sprite, you can see choose backdrop. Click here and you can see here the maze option. Click finished. So before going to start that coding, first we have to adjust the position of this sprite. For adjusting, just you move back or you move down this sprite to here. To do that, you click on that sprite and hold that, you just move to down. Now the size is too heavy, that means too big. We have to reduce the size. To reduce the size, here you can see the size option. You enter here 50 or 60 also you can give. Yes. Now see the direction. The face is towards east. We want it to be in a normal position. That means it has to face to the north direction. So for that, in the place of directions, you can give 0. So yes, now the planning has been completed. Now we have to start the coding. So just I'll increase the size here to make sure to visible to everyone. So yes, as I told you previously, I have splitted this writing program into two segments. The first segment is directions. So to give the directions, I told you here we are using few functions. Here I'm going to tell you three functions to be used for directions part. The first function is key pressed. The second function is set direction. The third function is move. So before going to use these three functions, we have to go with the while loop and if condition. Let us start the program. So while space 1 colon, so if condition, if yes, as I told you earlier, sprite dot what we have to enter here, yes, exactly, is key pressed suggestions will get, yes, yes. So here, which arrow we are giving? The first I'll start with up arrow. Very good. Now again you have to end with a colon. Now the second function, as I told you, sprite dot set direction. So here what is the direction? 0. Now again sprite dot move function. So you have to give the steps, let us say 4 steps to make it simple. Now see here, this is the major part, the first part that we have to complete. So here up arrow is completed. Again you have to copy this program. So paste it. See here indentation should be proper. Again, yes, finished. As we have 4 directions, I am copying for 4 times. So here change the direction, that is down arrow. So for down arrow, it has to change its direction to opposite. So for that, so here you just, if you know that, if you are perfect in mathematics, you can enter the direct value, or blindly if you see here the direction map, you just change the direction so that here the sprite is also moving in particular direction. So better to enter 180, yes, 180, the perfect direction. So down key pressed, 180 directions. Now see here, so to move it left, so see the direction value, yes, 90, yes, minus 90, yes. So here minus 90, and the direction is left, left key we can say easily. Here right, again direction is plus 90 degrees, yes. So this is the first part that we have completed. Now the second part is we have to give conditions. So see here what are the conditions we have. So here we're gonna give two conditions. The first condition is that, so here you can see the black lines. So if this sprite touches that black line, again it has to come, or again it has to start from it from the beginning. So for that, as I told you earlier, I have to use the function that is touching color. So here I'll start with that condition if, yes, sprite dot is touching color. So here we have to give RGB coordinates of color. Here the color is black, so RGB coordinates for the black color is 0 comma 0 comma 0. So you have to end with the colon. Now set a direction, yes, sprite dot set direction, again 0. So here we have to assign the coordinates of xy to come to its original place. So for that what we have to do is that sprite dot, yes, go to xy function. So see here the coordinates minus 147 comma minus 160. See here the direction coordinates. Now the condition 1 has been completed. Now second condition is also there. That means if this sprite touches the red apple, what will happen? So it has to say you won or congratulations you won. So to give that command again, we have to use if condition, if sprite, yes, dot is touching color. So which is the color of apple here? So it is red in color. So we have to give the RGB coordinates of red, that is 255 comma 0 comma 0. Very good. So again end with the colon, enter. So what it has to say? Sprite dot say. Here we are using the basic function sprite dot say. Start with double quotations. Congratulations, you. Oh, so after that we have to give the timing, where how many seconds it has to go. Let us say 5 seconds. So finally we have to break the loop. So this is how we have to prepare a program. Now let us run this program. See, run. Yes, yes. So if it touches the black color, yes, again it is coming back. So yes, 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 like that. So just if you try to reach that red color, so you'll get that final message that is you want. So that I'll show you. Yes, I have already saved a previous program. So see here, yes, mouse and apple key. So just I'll run this program. Yes, yes. So see how excitedly I'm playing here. Just I made it simple as I entered the value is 4 steps for the mouse. That means for the sprite because to make it simple. Okay. So thank you for watching everyone. Please subscribe my channel and encourage me. If you have any queries, you please drop me, you ping me, or you drop me in the message box. Thank you. Thank you for watching everyone.